Hello students. On today we are going to discuss about greeting. So without wasting of time, let's start the greeting. Greetings. The using of words while we greet someone, it depends on the time, age, relation and time. Greetings are of two types. Number 1, formal greeting. Number 2, informal greetings. Formal greeting. In this type of greeting, we will use polite and respectful words towards the respective peoples. Example: hello sir, hello ma'am, etc. It will use on the name doctor, engineer, police, advocate, etc. Informal greeting. In this type of greeting, we can use polite words, respectful words, and we can use another words. Informal greeting used for family, friends, and close friends. Examples for formal greeting: hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. It's nice to meet you. Good to see you. How do you do? How is it going? How are you doing? It's pleasure to meet. See you tomorrow, etc. Some examples for informal greeting. Hey, hi, hello, what's up? How are? What's going on? What's new? How's your life? Long time no see. How's everything is going on? Is everything going on good? Etc. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.